In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Thinkorswim to TradingView. If you're looking to streamline your trading by combining the robust analysis tools of TradingView with the direct execution and management features of Thinkorswim, this is the guide for you. We'll walk through the steps to check if these two platforms can connect and how to adjust your workflow if integration isn't currently supported. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up your tools for the best trading experience. Let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your TradingView account. TradingView serves as the central hub for your charting and analysis, and it's the place where you can check if your broker supports live trading integration. If you don't already have a TradingView account, don't worry, you can create a free one and follow along with this tutorial. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard in TradingView. This is your starting point for accessing all the tools and features the platform has to offer. Next, look toward the top of your screen for the main navigation bar. On this bar, click on the tab labeled Products. The Products tab is important because it provides access to all of TradingView's tools and integrations, including the ability to connect with brokers. After you've opened the Products menu, scroll down until you see the option called Trading Panel. Click on it. The Trading Panel is where you can directly connect to brokers that are supported by TradingView. Inside the Trading Panel, you'll see a lot of options, but for now, focus on finding the All Brokers option and click on it. This will display the full list of brokers that TradingView currently supports for direct trading integration. Now at the top of this list, you'll notice a search function. Use this search bar to type in Thinkorswim. The search function allows you to quickly locate Thinkorswim without having to scroll through the entire list manually. Be sure to spell it correctly, Thinkorswim is one word, so you don't miss it in the search results. Once you've entered Thinkorswim into the search bar, take a moment to check the results. If Thinkorswim appears in the list, follow TradingView's prompts to begin connecting your accounts. Typically, this will involve logging into your Thinkorswim account and authorizing the connection. This step is crucial because it allows you to link Thinkorswim with TradingView, enabling you to place trades directly through the TradingView platform. However, if Thinkorswim does not appear in the search results, it means that TradingView does not currently support direct integration with Thinkorswim. In this case, you can still manage your trades manually within the Thinkorswim platform while using TradingView for your charting and analysis. This alternative workflow allows you to enjoy the best features of both platforms, even without direct integration. To stay updated, make it a habit to regularly check the trading panel in TradingView for any changes to the broker list. If Thinkorswim is added in the future, you'll know exactly where to find it and how to connect. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.